So this is the famous spot. So JY Mall is gonna be your base point. With my brother, I got my helmet, and we're gonna go for a motorcycle. Our deal is gonna be 100 pesos per person, and since we're two, it's gonna be 200 going up and another 200 going down. So that's top of Cebu restaurant. We're just gonna pass through. So we're gonna head to Top's sightseeing. But look, you can already. Oh, okay. So the way is still here. We're just gonna go there if you want to dine or something. Abot na. That's the entrance. We're gonna pay 100 per person. The driver, we're just gonna be here for an hour. They said no one can take you back, so you have to pay him an extra 50 for another hour. So, ooh, pretty. Hello. Hello. So this is the famous spot for IG. Okay, it's afternoon. The weather is really great. Last night it was raining, so I thought it's probably gonna be like a little gloomy today. But see, look, it's a pretty good weather. I guess you have to ring the bell if you're here. It's not really a guess, but I guess well, guess again. All right. 2, 3. 3, Jude. Ikaw. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So you can buy stuff here, drinks or food. You can dine as well. They have grills. They're selling souvenirs. Pretty much complete. You'll not get hungry. Obviously, the beers are here. That's cute. So we're kind of like at the edge. Look. A little scary, but the view is really awesome. So it's worth it. So that's just about it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you can like and subscribe. Bye!